Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Whoop whoop. Go girl, go girl. And I know I've been late with uploads. Well, I know I've been literally non-existent with uploads, but it's alright now because I'm back. So today, like I said, I don't know if I said it actually, I'm doing a get ready with me. This is not a makeup tutorial. I feel like I have to stress this just to clarify that this video is for entertainment purposes. We're simply just having a little fun and killing a little time. So right now, I'm going to be starting off, as you can see, with some concealer. Yes, I did just show you two different shades of concealer. Right now, I'm going to go in with the shade on the right to conceal my under eyes and the darker areas around my mouth. And the lighter shade I normally use just for like eyeshadows. I normally have a beauty blender on hand, but today I didn't, which is very unfortunate because it would have like helped me blend this foundation in a lot better. Don't get me wrong though, the brush definitely did the trick. It's just the beauty blender is like my best friend and my primary foundation tool. So the fact that I don't have it is just a bummer. So I am just gonna continue to blend this foundation until I can't blend no more. I'm just not trying to get clocked out here by nobody. Talking about some, you know, one eyebrow don't match the other. Like, man, let me shine on my little doo-wop eyebrows. You feel me? First of all, learn how to mind your business. As for my eyebrows, I really don't like to do too much. I just brush them and fill them in. Now we come in with that brighter concealer shade to give our eyeshadows a bit extra pop. video, girl. Pause the video, because this right here, this yellow eyeshadow has the audacity to not pop up and do its job. I mean, this yellow was literally just serving me the bare minimum. And I can't do bare minimum when I'm trying to do bare maximum. Okay, so notice how this yellow just completely wiped off, like the whole audacity it has to just wipe off after all that work I did. I had to, off camera, behind the scenes, go in the bathroom and redo the whole yellow part all over again. I was getting stressed out because I needed it to pull the look together, and it just wasn't coming together. Bruh, just look at my eye. How did it just get like that? I know, I don't even know. But y'all, it was at this moment where I had to cut the cameras. Cut! Cut the cameras, just cut the cameras, cut them all. I mean, I had to tell myself, go in the bathroom and fix your damn eye. Come out when you look alright. Alright, now that we are back and we are better, we can continue our slay of the day. I'm going to go ahead and blend in a little bit more concealer underneath my eyes and on my forehead area to provide me with more coverage. And suddenly, I feel the lips on me. And suddenly, I feel the lips on me. I feel the lips on me. Look at me. Even my eye right there is watering. We just had enough. Me and my eyeball, we just over it, you know? I mean, it's just yellow. Is it worth it? Can I work it? Can I put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it? This is the face of disappointment. I did not really rock with this palette this video, beside that one shadow for my eyelid, and other than that, that was it. Alrighty, and now for everyone's favorite part of the routine, it's time for the lashes, honey. I cannot stress how much lashes really know how to pull a look together. To lip gloss, and then I will be proceeding with highlighter.
And suddenly.
Now, I was going to choose a highlighter, however, I couldn't help but to notice how naturally glowy and highlighting the lip gloss already was. So I decided to test it out as a highlighter, and I must say it did me some justice. I mean, you judge for yourself. I don't know about y'all, but this is going to complete the look for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to follow me on my socials, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!